Cannon. That's a big balloon. Whoa, that's a big kick. Big kick. Whoa. Look at that big balloon. Where's the balloon's belly button, Cannon? Cannon, show Mama where the balloon's belly button is. Whoa. Hi, Yancy. Hi, Yancy. Whoa, that's a big kick. Whoa. Oh my goodness, look at that balloon. Oh, it hit Yancy. It's okay, Fancy Pants. It's okay, Fancy Pants. It's just a balloon. It's okay, Cannon. It's okay. It just scared Fancy. Arr. You kicked that balloon. We're big Fancy Pants. Arr. Can you be a dinosaur? Arr. Arr. Can Mama have a kiss? Cannon? I guess that's a no. Whoa! Balloons. Balloons. Get that balloon.
Get that balloon.
Balloons, the cheapest, most entertaining toy for a child. Are you getting tired, honey?
No.
No? You never get tired, do you? Whoa, be careful.